Hey everyone, Safi Russell here from SDR Consulting, Inc. Just wanted to talk a few minutes about the home office deduction and what that's about. In summary, the home office deduction is a deduction for business owners to account for the business use of their home. However, it comes with some really strict criteria that some people don't follow, which can cause it to be named a red flag. Now, if you have a dedicated space in your home that you use regularly for business and not for anything else, it is possible that that area could be considered a home office. It doesn't necessarily have to be a separate room. It can be the corner of a room. What would happen is you need to measure that area based on square footage compared to the square footage of your whole home. Whatever that ratio is, you can deduct your portion of rent or mortgage interest or real estate taxes or utilities for that percentage. So let's say it's 20% of your home, then 20% of those deductions potentially could be taken as a home office deduction. Now, if it's in the middle of your living room where your kids' toys are, it's not going to qualify for the home office. If you are working for someone else as an employee, there's no home office deduction. There used to be a way to deduct unreimbursed employee expenses. That's no longer available. And so the only way to get reimbursed in that situation is to contact your employer. And maybe if they have an accountable plan, they can reimburse you. I know a lot of people are working from home right now, so it's definitely a discussion to have with your employer. So in business for yourself, eligible for the home office deduction, you just need to be proper in your record keeping. Take pictures of the space where your office is, take those measurements, and take the actual deductions that you paid for the year. So if it was, 120 1 month for utilities, 130, 126, those are the amounts that should be tracked all year, not on average, it was $100. So that's important. And then lastly, I just want to suggest that you work with a qualified accountant, CPA, what have you, to understand how that deduction works and so that you can take it properly, because it is a valid deduction. However, it can be abused. So you want to be really careful, cross your T's, dot your I's. And if you are working from home this year and you are in business and you have a profit, you can definitely benefit from the home office deduction. If you have a loss, it won't add to your loss, but it can be carried forward. So it's still beneficial to track it. All right, so I hope that helped. If you have further questions, feel free to reach out to us and let us know what other content you'd love to hear. Take care.